Hey guys, what's going on? Troy at Mountain Man Treasure here, and it's Wednesday. Means it's time for another What's Sold. Okay, it is What's Sold Wednesday, and no contacts in today. You're going to have to just deal with the screen bouncing off of my glasses here today. I want to look at what we sold over the weekend. You know, I know last time it was sort of a scattershot of what did we sell over the last week and change. You know what? This weekend was so good. We sold gross. We were over $900 this weekend, guys. That's huge. That's one of our biggest weekends ever. We sold 32 things over the weekend, and so I thought, you know what? Let's just run through them. So the first thing that we sold, Christmas sells all year round, guys. This a vintage Masters on Silk. This is Children of the Shell. They all have, it's by Krebs, K-R-E-B-S. Keep an eye out for these. I picked up a bunch of them for almost nothing at an estate sale, and have now, this was the very last one. This was the straggler. Didn't sell for very much, but $6.99 plus shipping. So you know what? That's a couple bucks. And like I said, some of the others were a little bit better. They sold for around 10 bucks. So not bad. Now, moving on, we sold this vintage Stone Cold Steve Austin. It's a large t-shirt, old WWF t-shirt. Really, really cool with the snake on there. I loved this shirt. I actually picked this up in a trade with another reseller. I sent him a study Bible that he really liked, and he sent me a pair of shirts. The other was the Lord's Gym t-shirt that we sold, I don't know, 2-3 weeks ago. And now this sold for $39 plus shipping. So I think it was a good trade. He got a Bible that he wanted, and we actually made a little bit more on the two t-shirts than we would have for the Bible. So good deal all around. Now this one, I took an offer of $15. This I struggled with keeping, guys. I almost kept this one. This is a vintage trucker hat. It had like a raised trout on the front of it. It was like puffy and stuck out. Really, really cool. Took an offer of 15 bucks for that one. It had sat around for a while. If it made it to the end of the year and hadn't sold, I probably would have kept it. So I guess it's a good thing that somebody sent an offer and we sold that. Now, here is the Revereware Double Roaster. This is a turkey pan, stainless steel. This is a fantastic pan. Picked this up for $15 at an estate sale. And all in, the buyer was $123.56. It cost me 15 bucks to buy. It cost me just under 34 bucks to ship, and the rest of that is profit. So that a pretty good turnaround. And that was, we put that in auction, actually. You saw the video where I included in the Bolos Blu-rays, DVDs, movies, because they do sell. I've sold 3 or 4 of them. We'll go through them here. First one to sell is the Time Machine. This thing sold for $9.98. Free shipping. Again, media mail, though, for movies, DVDs, Blu-rays, that sort of thing. If it's under a pound, $2.80. So really cheap shipping on that. We also sold Chinatown with Jack Nicholson, Faye Dunaway. Sold that for $11, free shipping. We sold Being There. This was Shirley MacLaine, Peter Sellers. This for $16.99. Again, free shipping, but you can see how this adds up. We only paid, I ended up paying $19 for the whole stack of stuff. And so we're already, I think now with those 3, and we sold one more, we're into the profit, certainly on those. We sold this Vineyard Vines and Notre Dame fleece. This is a size 2X, really, really nice fleece. I'd have kept it. It was just too big. Sold this for $29.92 plus shipping. Got that at Goodwill for just a couple bucks. Took an offer on this of $9.50. Jethro Tull, thick as a brick. This is an early press. It was a really nice CD. It was actually priced up at about $13, I think, on sale. He sent me an offer. We went back and forth, and he was haggling over like 50 cents. And at the end, I thought, you know what? It's sat around for a while. Let's just get rid of it. So I made a few bucks off of that. We sold a container of Bag Balm. Remember, we got this at the estate sale 2 weeks ago. It sold, and it sold to Australia. They paid $16.98 for the item itself, and then $19.99 for me to ship it over there. So they're like 40 bucks in, plus they're going to have to pay an import fee. So somebody in Australia really wanted these. This is an old pair of jeans that's been sitting around for a while. Somebody sent me an offer of $11. They were pretty beat up, quite honestly. I mean, they're vintage Levi's button fly, but they're very faded and they got marks on them, and they're basically going to be work jeans for somebody. They sent me an offer of $11 plus shipping, and to get them out, I took it. These guys from Pokemon Master Trainer, the board game. I got this thing. It was missing some pieces. The box was beat up. The board was super beat up. So I've just been slowly listing and selling off the pieces as replacement pieces, and we're doing okay. We paid $30 for the whole thing, and we're into the profit already. These sold for $9.66 plus shipping for these 4 Ash Mover pieces. This from just this weekend, I picked up Super Mario Brothers for the Nintendo Wii, and it sold for $23. I paid $15 for everything at that sale, remember. This one actually was a free pickup. This is a Bell Racing Jeff Gordon AARP mini helmet. It's a mini NASCAR helmet. Really pretty cool for a NASCAR fan, relatively rare. And it was neat. Eventually I took an offer. It sat around for a while. I had it up around 45 or 50 bucks just because of the rarity, but somebody sent me an offer and I took it. $37 plus priority shipping. Something else that I picked up this last weekend, Wii Sports. This used to be a $10 or $12 free shipping game. Now you can get about $30 for it. I decided to charge shipping, so I charged $24.49 plus shipping. All in, the buyer was at $29.99. This Weaver hat, I had this thing priced pretty high. It's a K Products. It's a vintage foam in the inside, is in great shape. It's a cool hat. I had it priced high, and eventually I picked up a lot of watchers and it wasn't moving. So I moved it down. We ended up taking $15 free shipping on that one. Here's a Surfers for Trump hat. This is a Nissan vintage cap, and then I think they did some sort of iron on the front. So vintage cap, new decal on the front. That went for an offer of $12 free shipping. This little troll doll, I picked this guy up for $25 a couple weekends ago. You saw that in the garage sale video. I put him at auction, and there was 2 different people fighting over this guy. Eventually it went for $10.51 plus shipping. Not bad on a $1.25 investment. Now, again, this weekend, I picked up a bunch of that Wii stuff, among them Wii remotes. These aren't even the good ones with the advanced sensor motion plus, whatever it is. These are just the original basic remotes. Charged pretty reasonable rate underneath the going rate. I think they go for about 24, maybe 25 bucks, but I wanted to move them quick. And so we went $22.04 is what it came out to. I'm running a sale, so when I priced it, it came in under everybody else. So $22.04 free shipping. These cost between $3 and $4 a piece to ship out, depending on where they had to go. So after fees, we were looking at between 15 and 16 bucks after fees, after shipping. That's profit on each one of these. We paid $15 for the entire sale. We're making lots of money off of this sale already. That was one that sold, and we'll go past. You know what? I'll just tell you. We also sold another one and another one and another one. We sold all 4 of them this weekend. So that's pretty good. We made, what, 60 bucks profit off of those 4 Wii remotes. How about Hot Wheels Disney Nightmare Before Christmas? This just a retail arbitrage find. I picked this up at Walmart for like $3.50 and sold it for $12.73. This I picked up this weekend. It's a digital stream analog pass-through DTV converter box. I don't necessarily know exactly what it does. I think it converts a digital signal to analog so that you can watch it on your old TV, or vice versa. Something. You don't have to know what it does. You just have to scan that barcode. You have to accurately describe it. This was new in the box, and I didn't hold on to it long. It sold for $48.99. We paid $50 for everything at that sale. Sold a few things already, and I've got the sewing machine is getting bids right now at auction. Haven't gone through the Craftsman tools yet. We're going to do really well on that sale as well. So 49 bucks plus shipping for the pass-through. These Olin Marshawn eyeglasses. These vintage eyeglasses. They're bifocals. They are coming from Montana. They were made in Italy, and they're going to the UK. It's a global economy now, folks. Somebody paid $16.99 plus international shipping for those. Here's another movie that sold out of that Facebook Marketplace deal. $14.02 for it was a double feature, Kelly's Heroes and Where Eagles Dare. So that one is out the door. These ring caps, these are all profit. They sell slow, but now I'm completely into the profit. I think I paid 40 or 50 bucks for just a stack of all of these, and they sell for, I grouped them up in groups of 4, and they sell $20.98 is what that one went for. Looking at what else we got, this I picked up about a week and a half ago or so at the local thrift. This is a vintage Guns and Ammo brass belt buckle. Didn't sell for a lot, but went for $13.99, free shipping, but those very, very easy. They slide into a bag and out they go. Soylent Green, this was one of the big ones in that movie grab. I knew this would be a good one. I knew it would sell, and it did for $19.59, free shipping, but again, $2.80. Rick and Morty, the Monopoly board game. I had it at like 41 something, and they sent me an offer of $39.99. Done. $39.99 free shipping, but it didn't cost but $7-8 I think to ship off. So that a pretty nice little profit. That's complete profit because I got that and a lot with a bunch of those Funko Pops that we bought a while back. We've more than tripled our money off of that bulk deal. So this complete profit at that point. How about vacuum cleaner replacement bags? I told you in the thrift haul video that these things sell. I picked up 3 of them. Were I don't know, 25 cents or something into each of them, and it sold for $9.98 free shipping, but it costs about $4 to ship out, so it's a $5 bill whenever one of these sells. And the last thing is this Hooker's Bar and Grill Hawaii beer-dyed t-shirt. It's got a swordfish on the front, cool graphics. Obviously, we've got a double entendre there with the name, and so I picked it up for $1 at Goodwill. Had a gut feeling it was going to sell, and sure enough, it did. $14.99 free shipping, but again, $3-4 first class shipping. We did really, really well this weekend, guys. I mean, that was a lot of stuff to move out, and we've got 6 items that have sold today that I haven't packed up yet, and I think I've got like 3 or 4 items that are sitting unpaid. So those could come through. I'm hoping. Who knows? Lots of unpaid items lately, unfortunately. But that's what we sold this weekend, guys. It was a really, really good weekend. I appreciate you tuning in. If you've got any questions, please, down below, ask them. Hit the bell. That'll let you know when we put new stuff up. Subscribe. We are on the drive for 1,000. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by July 4th. And if that happens, well, I've already said it on YouTube. I'm going to have my wife shave my head on a live feed. So that'll be interesting. No clue what it looks like under there. Not going to shave the face. This is staying, but this is going if we get to 1,000. And, you know, worst case scenario, I wear a hat all the time anyway, right? So I don't think it's going to be that bad. Thanks for stopping by, guys. I sure appreciate it. We'll see you next time.